I'm Rachel, and I'm going to be walking you through HR Leader. With the business landscape constantly evolving, HR leaders need to focus on their talent and their productivity. Using the investments that Oracle has made in adaptive intelligence, Gretchen can be effective and productive and then get back to focusing on her people. When she logs into the system for the first time, she's going to be delivered with a smart nudge alert that lets her know that one of her key programs needs to be reviewed. Since her talent team has already put together her talent review for her to take a look at, she can quickly come in, use some of the delivered filters such as risk of loss and impact of loss, and then continue on to identify who her top talent is. Now, she also knows that statistically, emerging talent tends to outperform some of the top talent, so she wants to take a deeper look at that segment of the organization. Right out of the gate, she is going to notice that Alice is a high risk of loss as well as a high impact of loss. So she's going to take Alice and go ahead and drop her into that top talent 9 box. As she continues along, she also knows that she needs to focus on the future of the organization as a whole, right? And plan for those critical roles. So with unified talent management, she's going to be able to tap into any of her succession plans right from within this one place, and then quickly and easily take Sally, who's also a top performer, add her to a succession plan, as well as take care of any additional tasks right from within this one singular view, whether that means adding a development goal or any other action items, effectively allowing her to walk away from that talent review with clean hands and no follow-up. As a quick review of the succession plan overall, she can take a look at any of the incumbents, including Sally, who she just added to that succession plan, and is quickly alerted that that plan is actually at risk because Sally is in the HR director plan as well. So just another way that Oracle HCM is delivering those alerts, making Gretchen more effective in her day-to-day, and delivering her the information that she needs in the place that she needs it. Gretchen also knows that 3 candidates is not enough for bench strength. So she also needs to keep an eye on her hiring initiatives. By taking a look at her KPIs, which are going to be personalized for her role, she can keep her finger on the pulse of any of those strategic sourcing initiatives that have already been put together by her talent team. This is an example of one of the campaigns that has been put together by that team. There's a goal of 100 applicants, of which only 34 has been met, but we're also going to be able to track those email metrics. So we can identify who has opted out, whether those emails are bouncing back, along with other useful analytics and statistics. As Gretchen reviews the audience that her talent team is targeting, she can see that they're focusing on all of the major global hubs. We can even get so focused and targeted with that audience that we can see that we're excluding candidates who are working currently for the competition. Just below, we're also being served a recommendation that if we add the additional global hub of Sao Paulo, Brazil, we'll be able to target over 1,200 more audience members, which will result in about 20 more applications. That's pretty compelling, and so Gretchen wants to go ahead and add that additional global hub to help with that hiring initiative. With one tap, she's able to add that, and then just below, review the embedded analytics to keep her finger on the pulse of the audience breakdown overall, as well as the diversity of the campaign. Another area that Gretchen needs to focus on is around employee engagement. So she's going to take a look at the most recent analysis related to a pulse survey. Here, she's going to be delivered an analytics dashboard that's going to help her keep on track of what the organization is doing well, where there's maybe some opportunity for improvement, and then also some diversity metrics around that topic as well. Because she knows that happy employees are productive employees. Before she heads along and gets back to her day-to-day, there's one more thing on her list that she needs to take care of. She also has some rockstar talent that she wants to focus on and really wants to celebrate what they're doing well. Using her digital assistant, she's going to be able to leave feedback for her direct report, Jen Jacobs, and let everybody know what an awesome job Jen is doing. This is really going to allow her to cultivate that culture of celebration and be able to do it in more of a conversational flow. So with just a couple quick taps, we're going to be able to identify exactly the feedback that we want to leave for Jen and let her know what an excellent job she's recently been doing. This is allowing Gretchen to use her digital assistant to, again, use some of the modern tool sets that she's used to using in her everyday life and then transfer those over to her work life. Again, a couple quick taps. Gretchen is able to take care of not only her HR leader responsibilities, but also her people management responsibilities. Quickly, effectively, and then get back to her day. Later in the day, Gretchen needs to finish her work from her laptop and also needs to help the business plan for how they'll meet their long-term business objectives. It's critical that Gretchen have a simple way to plan for skills gaps and the supply of talent in order to help grow the business and add a new shared services team in the UK. With Oracle HCM Strategic Workforce Planning, Gretchen can review a summary of her current headcount plan for the new department, as well as an AI-fueled skills comparison, letting her know that over the next 4 years, the changing needs of the market will require a new skill set, particularly around innovative thinking. Delivered visualization tool sets bring gap analysis to life, whereby Gretchen can model scenarios for how to upskill the organization, allowing her to be an active partner in executing on those strategic goals. Once Gretchen has identified that her gap closing strategy includes new hires, as well as internal transfers, she uses Oracle HCM Cloud's unique workforce modeling to plan the organizational execution. Leveraging her unified platform, she can drag and drop those business teams, open vacancies, as well as requisitions, all from within one place. And then once she's satisfied with the outcome, the CEO has approved it, and those business transactions will be enacted. And that's going to allow Gretchen to plan, model, and execute quickly and effectively. When we talk to our customers, they continue to tell us that one of the biggest challenges their leaders face is getting data visualizations across the entire business. Data is still fragmented, and they need a way to bring it all together to view it from a holistic point of view. And while we deliver the most complete HCM cloud available as part of the broadest business cloud platform on the market, we also understand that your business is run on various enterprise systems and sometimes even Excel. Oracle's data visualization takes all of your data, blends it together, and helps you discover powerful data insights. So let's see how Gretchen can use her data visualization to better understand how overtime is impacting her union workforce. Initial renderings give her a snapshot of the cost of all of her OT for that union workforce. And now Gretchen can not only view the OT by month, but then interact with the tool to get more advanced visualizations. Gretchen has created all of these options to find info and outliers within seconds, rather than spending hours working with and building macros or relying on an HR IT skill set. And she can now clearly see that her OT is spiking from December through June. And as a business leader, she has a new plan to eliminate overtime, but wants to see which department she actually needs to focus on. Machine learning can also serve her stats on those hours and help tell a story about the anomalies being uncovered. Within minutes, Gretchen has been able to use keyword searches and simple pre-built options to get powerful insights and make smarter business decisions. What you've seen today is the power of our complete Oracle HCM Cloud solution. It's built for the future with capabilities such as unified experience, digital assistant, and conversational user interface. To learn more, visit us at oracle.com/HCM.